Welcome to the learning resource on setting up stationery and bookshop as a small business. This presentation covers the troubleshooting aspects of stationery and bookshop. We will highlight how you can take care of small problems that come in your way when you run the stationery and bookshop. Now, firstly, you should know that what is stationery and bookshop, how the term stationery is defined. The term stationery refers to the writing and other office materials. A stationery and bookshop is a goods retail business mainly focusing on items such as pens, pencils, writing material, paper, colors, school supplies, office supplies, computer stationery, etc. There are various services that the owner of the stationery and bookshop gives to its customer, such as magazines, notebooks, chart papers, writing supplies, etc. The stationery and bookshop is an enterprise where owner sells stationery items and books to the customers. The stationery and bookshop also sells magazines for different age groups, magazines on different topics, all are available in the stationery and bookshop. For example, magazines for housewives, senior citizens, magazines for kids, competition magazines, etc. This business involves keeping the inventory of the books, stationery items for the purpose of sale. As you see in the photograph, the different goods, the different books, the different stationery items are stored on the racks. The inventory is kept by the owner of the shop and then it is sold to the customer. The stationery and bookshop retailers provide goods and supplies you and I need every day. There are many facets of this exciting business. In the stationery and bookshop, there is dire need to properly maintain the shop in order to ensure the continuity of operation. For example, regular cleaning of the shelves, regular checkup of the electrical points, taking care of electrical breakdowns at the earliest, and general checkup. To ensure proper maintenance, you should conduct preventive maintenance at regular intervals. You should cross check inventory at regular intervals. The preventive maintenance is very important. This helps you to identify potential problems before they actually become a big accident. In your stationery and bookshop, you can define the retention period of the obsolete stuff of your store. Place the obsolete material in identified location and dispose this as per the plan. For example, by doing the resale, by auctioning and organizing a discounted sale. It is also suggested to install a good fire extinguisher in your stationery and bookshop. So in this presentation, we have touched troubleshooting aspects of the stationery and bookshop business. Thank you.